Here it is. There we have a bird gliding in air. That's right. A bird gliding in air. Now, where did that bird go? Where is that bird that was gliding in the air? What is that? That looks like a funny looking cloud. Huh. I don't know what that cloud remind me of. Sure looked like a funny one. Huh. A funny looking cloud with eyes. Oh, looks like somebody's trying to make a nest in there. In that light. Hope they don't get electrocuted. There you have it. Over and out. A bird gliding in air. That's right. A bird gliding in air. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. A bird gliding in air. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. Wong, 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 wong. Wong, 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 wong. Wong, 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 wong. Wong, 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 wong. Like us on YouTube and subscribe.